Data science is the study of data to extract meaningful insights from that data and giving it to a company so that they can increase their business, they can grow, they can increase revenues, and they can make more money. That's what data science is. Okay, now stick around till the end till I explain what the full data science is all about. So, data science basically uses tons and tons of data. You need a lot of data to do data science because if there was small data, let's say very small data, like 500 rows of data, any human could look at that data and get insights from it, right? But data science looks at millions of rows of data. It looks at gigabytes, terabytes of data, and then it gets an insight out of it. That's what data science does. And that is why it's very helpful for the companies. Because they could just hire a human to look at the data, but they can't hire a human to get look at terabytes data. Only a computer can do that. And you need data science for it. Now, how does data science actually work? Well, there are a lot of parts to it. There's machine learning and deep learning involved, mainly. These two are mainly involved in data science. So, and there's on a side note, data science is 70% about getting your data right. Because without data, there's no science to it. It's pretty simple. So, if you're thinking, oh, I'm in data science, I'm going to spend 8 hours building neural networks, and that's what I'm going to do all day. I'm going to spend 8 hours building machine learning algorithms. That's what I'm going to do all day. Well, that's not really true. That's partially true, but it's not really true. Because 70% of the time you take up to make your data right, to get the data right. Because most of the times you don't get the data in the way you want it. You usually extract data off from online, like websites, you scrape the data, you get like online data sets, and they usually don't have what you need, right? So you need to transform, like make transformations to the data, you know, and remove the null values. There are a lot of errors in the data processing. Yeah, so this is known as data processing. And once the data is processed, then you can move on to doing insights and analysis on it. And it's in this part where machine learning and deep learning comes in. So machine learning is basically the use of sophisticated mathematical algorithms. So these algorithms look into the data and give you insights. And these algorithms don't need a lot of data. They only need like small amounts of data. They can perform analysis on small amounts of data. But if there's if you need to find really deep insights, for example, you want to do computer vision, you want to do face recognition, and you want to build that from the ground up. You want to build an algorithm that does face recognition for you. Well, you're going to need a neural network, and this neural network is going to need tons of data. It's going to need millions, maybe billions of images of people. So neural networks require more data. Machine learning requires less data. And because this requires less data, machine learning, it gives you less insights. And deep learning gives you a lot of insights. Now, depending on what you have to use, you use whatever you want, right? If you have small data, use machine learning. If you have big data, you usually use neural networks. Now, about the data extraction. You can get the data online by scraping it from websites, or you can download online data sets that are readily available, or you can collect the data yourself, like make your own data, right? And where is data science actually used? Let me give you an example. YouTube uses data science. YouTube is tracking what their customers are doing, what the viewer is watching, what they watched before, what they watched after, and based on that, they create a recommendation for the viewer what to watch next, right? So all the creation of this recommendation uses data science. It uses machine learning and deep learning, all right? And another example would be face recognition that also uses data science. Another one would be sales forecasting, demand forecasting, inventory management. This is used a lot in the retail sector, right? So that's data science. Now I'll keep uploading more videos about data science, and if you like this video, please give me a like, and if you found some value in this video, please give me a subscribe. See you later.